Okay, a review on the product real quick. Not sure what everybody was looking at when they bought this. I think this is an absolute steal. I don't know what problems everybody had trying to put it together, but it was a piece of cake. Built outside, that piece is all put together. That comes together. You just do your frames and your boxes. Kind of some neat things here. Now, if you're on a professional level, this probably wouldn't be it, but if you're just starting, I think it's cool. Swing those in, gets air.